Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So we're going to go ahead and show you some Whitestone Dome products in this video right here. I've got their case here, their contrast case, and I've got their Easy Dome for the front glass. Now this device does not come with a front glass screen protector on it, so keep that in mind when you get it. You're going to need some protection. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put on the glass, because as you can see, I like to keep my phones face down. That way I don't look at it, and out of sight, out of mind. I'm not on my phone too much. And I can enjoy my day. It even comes with a, looks like it comes with a guard for the hinge. That'll be pretty interesting. It's nice that they're doing that. You got a cloth here. Let's see. Oh, you even get a, oh, okay. You get a little protector for the camera. Pretty nice. That's pretty nice. I'll consider whether I want to put that on or not. Just because of the color. And obviously you get two of these in here since this is a 2-pack, and they give you the instructions on how to install this, just like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. Let's put some of this off to the side here. We'll put one of these over here. We'll get the glass out. Really nice. Go ahead and open this up. There's the cloth, a little sticky, and a little wet wipe here to get it done. So let's go ahead and get out the big dog here. Gotta have my favorite microfiber cloth. You guys know which one it is. I always roll with this microfiber cloth. I really like it a lot. It's very nice. And it is very thick, and it cleans better than anything I've ever used. And there's a link to it down below, so if some of you guys have been asking about this cloth, and there's a link to it down below where you can grab yours. Nothing wrong with the company putting in the microfiber cloths, but sometimes they leave dust and residue, and they just don't come off. So I always hit it with this one right here. This is a lot thicker and softer too. When it comes to putting things on. And then we're going to hit it with this right here. Yep. And we'll go ahead and put the hinge on as well, and we'll try on the case. And I have links to these items down in the description if you decide to pick them up. So let's go ahead and hit it with the glass first. Hopefully I can get this on in one felt swoop. Let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and let's hit it again here. You want to make sure you take your time with this, folks. There's no rush. You got a 2-pack, yeah, but you could also have a 2-pack because you got one for you and your partner, or your wife, or whoever, your husband. There's that camera bump. That's what I was looking for. Because honestly, once you drop this down, that's a wrap, folks. You're not. It's not. You can't get it back open. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the screen on. Just kind of drop this down just to see where it's at. Because this screen is not positioned like you would think, but I actually think I got this one right on the money. Turn it off. Shoot. Spoke too soon. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. We're going in right now. We're going to drop this bad boy down. You can see it spreading out right there. You see it going all down towards the bottom right there. It's gone. All right. It was a little dirty on the top, but if there's ever any bubbles in your screen protectors, folks, in your glass screen protectors, don't lift it. Just heat it up a little bit. You can basically rub it like this, and then they'll go away. Now, if you have dirt, that's another story. So the glass screen protector is on. It is on. It's looking pretty good. Oh, nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Yeah, this is smooth. That's just one of something that's got a full white screen on it. Everything's got dark mode. Let me turn off dark mode. Let's see here. Dark mode's off. There we go. Now I can see. Yep, I did pretty good, folks. Yep, now let's turn dark mode back on. All right. Now, if this case has a front on it, you'll really get the gist if you put it on right, because it's going to it'll mess up the screen protector if you didn't put it on right. So now let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and put this hinge on. The hinge should be fairly simple. I put it on my Z Flip 4 already. It did come off on my Z Flip 4. I was like, wow. It didn't like come all the way off, but it peeled up a little bit. And I was like, man, come on. All right, so this, just gonna put it right here. Use these little tabs here to line it up. And let's see here. It's funny how people always say, well, how did you do that? I'm like, I just put it on there, man. I put it on there. So now this is one where you're gonna need to push with a squeegee. Grab one. You'll need a squeegee of some sort to push it along to settle down. Like that. There we go. And then you do this side over here. And then it's on, and then you want to push it down, and then there's going to be another layer on here to take off. I remember when I first put this on, I realized, I was like, man, it didn't work, and then I realized there's another layer on here. So it is definitely on there because I can feel the lumps there and I can actually see it. So that is a wrap. This is on good. It's not like the original ones that they had before, where they had it wrapped around more. But still, it's good enough. It's good enough. All right, so the screen is working good. Now let's put on the case. Let's try on this case. Is it a full protecting case? Oh yes, it's front and back. Okay. Oh, and they give you another hinge protector in there. That's good. So this is the Dome Life contrast case. Oh, this is a nice soft touch case, man. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is a very nice soft touch case. I really like this case. It's really nice. So the first thing I definitely want to do is put the front portion on, just to make sure. And this is how I can tell if I did it good enough, because you'll see some lifting. Like I see some lifting up here. But that means I just put it on a little crooked when I put it on. But let's go ahead and throw the back on. And this feels good, man. This is a good feeling case. Looks good too. I like it. You can see how it looks on this part of the phone. You can see the back. It's a soft touch back on here. So that's pretty nice. The fingerprint reader obviously works good. Obviously I have access to the screen and everything. So this is nice. You can see how it looks in this area right here, lined up like this. But there it is, man. That is Whitestone Dome's offering currently for the Z Fold 4. And they also offer other things. They offer full protection like this if you want to. You can have full protection all around with a plain, like a soft screen protector on there. And they also have a full protection like this, front and back and inner. So these will all be down in the description. Everything in this video will be down in the description. So be sure to check that out if you haven't already done so. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.